I know your heart is tired of the shouting, of the cold looks, of walking on eggshells in your own home. God, I come to you for this family. You see every argument. You hear every harsh word. You know the fear, the tension, the distance that has grown between people who are meant to love each other deeply. Lord, step into this home with your peace. Break the pattern of constant arguing. Silence every word that comes to wound. And stir up words that bring healing and respect. Soften hard hearts. Calm angry minds. Take away pride, bitterness, and the need to be right. Teach us to listen, to speak gently, to forgive quickly. Restore love where there is contempt. Restore honor where there is disrespect. Let this home become a place of safety again. Fill every room with patience, kindness, and understanding. Protect this family from division. Close every door that conflict has used to enter. Raise a new standard of love in this house. God, let peace stay. Let respect grow. Let love win here, starting today. In your presence, we trust this home. Amen.